All right, so over the last couple of months, the crypto market has been extremely volatile. We've seen Bitcoin go to around $110,000 per coin, drop to around $90,000 per coin. Solana was well over $270 per coin at one point in time. Now it's sitting right around $170. And so as we're seeing a lot of this volatility with big name cryptos, as we're seeing a lot of people make money with meme coins, I think we're going to start to see a shift into some pre-sale projects, because if meme coins are dying down a little bit, I think the next obvious sector that people are going to be looking at is pre-sale projects, because those can lead to the same type of gains that you have seen with memes. And so one project that is doing things very different, it has a gold KYC, like you could see all of the details of it, is a project called OHW. And OHW, if you look at their solid proof, you look at their audit, they have a KYC tier gold, meaning that they're fully doxed. There's nothing to worry about. You also can see that they have a KYC ping sale compliant, KYC plus GemPad compliant. And so this is a project that is in its pre-sale, but is doing things very, very different from other projects. So ultimately what OHW is a project that is all about ocean and whale conservation. And so while they still are very early on, they've only been around for a couple of days and have raised over $50,000, which is a 40% discount to the TGE price. And right now, one OHW token is equal to 0.014. You can get it with USDT, USDC, ETH, card. You also get it with BNB. And so, like I said, the thing about this project is their mission is, it says, where crypto makes waves for portfolio and our oceans. OHW is more than just a crypto. It's a community of passionate individuals united by a shared love for the ocean and a belief in crypto's potential to create positive change. They're building a vibrant ecosystem with unique merchandise, educational initiatives, and groundbreaking platform that empowers even greater community involvement. So the thing I like about this project is not only their mission, but also how their presale is so different from every other presale I have seen in this cycle. Because with their presale, if you go over to their white paper, you can see some specific details of their tokenomics. And in terms of tokenomics, 40% is allocated to pre-sale, 20% to staking and rewards. The cool thing about this is that staking OHW offers like a way to earn some additional passive income with a flat 25% APY. Their staking program is really designed for long term. They have 15% of the token supply allocated for marketing and community, 15% for development, and 10% for liquidity pool for decentralized and centralized exchanges. But the thing about the pre-sale that is so different is in terms of this token breakdown. So the release and inflation control is what they call it. So with this, you can see that it shows that upon TGE, the liquidity for centralized and decentralized exchanges is going to be fully unlocked. So that's 10% of the token supply. In addition to this, the pre-sale. Anyone who buys in during pre-sale gets fully unlocked at TGE, which is 40%. This is very unusual for pre-sale projects. A lot of the time, they like to do some sort of vesting period and not give people all of their tokens all at once, but that's not what OHW is doing. OHW, from day one, is going to have 50% of its token unlocked, which is great. This is all about the community. The pre-sale goes directly to people who invest early. But then if you look at the staking rewards, marketing and community and development, these are all locked for periods of time, like between, you could see staking rewards gradually released over 24 months, marketing community, it says vested over 36 months. There's a 6-month lock period and 36 months. You could also see development locked for 6 months, then released linearly over 36 months. So the thing that I like about this is that people who invest early get their tokens right away. They don't have to wait, and that is very different from other projects. But outside of this, the development, marketing, community, and staking rewards all get released gradually over time. So it ensures that it's not just like a one-off project. It ensures that the community benefits right away, but also the team and developers and everyone behind the project, they are going to be in this project for years to come because of this token unlock period. And so when you see this vesting schedule, it really supports the community and ensures that the team is going to be involved long term. The other thing that really makes this project different, like I said, is with their staking. I like how they have that 25% APY. If you go ahead and look at their website, and go ahead and click on staking, you can see there's already been over 3.5 million tokens staked. That is something that is pretty impressive to see in just a couple of days since being live. And last thing, in terms of the actual details, things that really stand out to this is in terms of OHW NFTs. So it says OHW NFTs are more than just collectibles. They provide real utility from day one of their release and are designed to grow in value as the ecosystem expands. Holders gain exclusive benefits, early access, and long-term rewards that enhance both governance and gameplay. And you can see that they're offering exclusive NFTs as a thank you to significant pre-sale contributors, and they also plan to launch whole collections once the token is live. So you can see that this is something that is very different, very unique, because they're rewarding their early investors, but also are going to have new NFTs that launch once the token is live. Benefits of holders of OHW NFTs are going to be guaranteed whitelist access, enhanced governance influence, rare story-driven rewards, and P2E gameplay perks. So it says a future utility may include enhanced gameplay features, providing in-game boosts and competitive advantages. So you can see all of these things. This is just really important because it gives you some unique benefits that I really don't see with other projects. Like I said, in terms of their pre-sale NFTs, these are like what they call early supporter NFTs. There's limited edition. So out of our NFT collection, 2,000 early supporter edition NFTs is ready for the first 2,000 buys with a minimum investment of equivalent of 1,000 USD. So the special perks are going to be special recognition within the community, discounts on OHW merchandise, special content or future events, and participation in their project's DAO, giving you a voice and, on what decisions are going to be made moving forward. So if you're just looking at this project, they're doing a lot of things different. And if we take a look back on their website, over at their roadmap, you can see that they have everything all planned out into really 4 main phases. Phase 0 is the deep dive. It says securing development and audits, building their community ocean protectors, kickstart conservation efforts, and launch the pre-sale with exclusive rewards. This is right now. This is where we are. And the thing that we didn't mention already, but one thing they're also doing with this project is that from day one, they're starting to contribute a portion of their pre-sale raise directly to ocean conservation and ocean and whale conservation. So that's something that is very different, something that you don't see with other projects. So when people invest in this project from day one, there's already an impact on what they say. They're already going to be looking at different ocean and whale conservation like charities and initiatives, and it's going to go right to that. Then into phase 1, it says token splash, token claim, OHW token launch on a DEX, introduce their unique NFT collection, more partnerships. Phase 2, expanding OHW to major centralized exchanges, partner with leading conservation organizations, and launch exclusive merchandise to support their mission. Phase 3, it says Heart of the Ocean launch their groundbreaking conservation platform, expansion of NFT utilities and benefits, and global recognition of their impact. And then into phase 4, educate and engage through play-to-earn projects. The possibilities are endless as they continue to innovate and grow. So this is a project that is doing things very different, and that's what I like about it. They talk about ocean and whale conservation from day one. As they are raising money, they're immediately contributing some of this to those efforts, which you don't see. In terms of the pre-sale, everyone who invests in the pre-sale, you could see that the total pre-sale allocation for tokens is unlocked immediately at day 1. You can see that right here. Liquidity, again, that's what's also unlocked at day 1, while the others are over a vested schedule. That promotes, value for the community. And the last thing is that this is a project that is capitalizing just on the right time with what's going on in the market, and they have, all of the audits, all of the KYCs, they're fully doxed. You can see all those details, which again is just something very different. So when looking at a pre-sale project, this is something that is so unique and so different from anything else out there, and that's why I personally did invest in it, and I'll keep you guys updated on what is going on with it. Also, I have been following them over on X for quite a while. They have around 13,000 followers. They have a $20,000 giveaway that's going on, where all you need to do to enter is like and retweet the post, buy $100 in OHW tokens, comment on the post, and submit your X username and transaction hash into the form showing that you did buy some, and they're going to be giving out these rewards once stage 1 of the pre-sale is sold out. So again, I'll keep you guys updated on what happens with this, but there's really a lot to like, and that's why I invested in it.